On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl, Briana Marie. You're tuning into another hair video. I haven't had a hair video on my page in a minute. So this one is not your regular curl the hair, bleach it, pluck it tutorial, okay? This is a wig that you put on and go. And I'm a fan of this wig because I want braids. But my hair cannot stand braids. Like, my hair is so thin that even if I do get braids, my hair probably will fall out. This is the only way that I feel like I can wear braids. And this wig eats, okay? And I want to show y'all how to install it and everything. This wig is from Jaliza, y'all. And I'm going to be getting into all the details and specs during this video. So I don't want to keep y'all long, but I definitely want to show y'all how this wig looks. Oh, snap. And I'll put mine to the side because, baby, it's just so cute. It's a middle part, but you can do whatever you want with this wig. Look. I want to get close so that y'all can see. I'm actually going to put it in the middle. Look at those knots, though. Look at those knots. And look how neat they are with these knots, baby. Look at the boho curls, y'all. That's on this braided unit. Do y'all see that? Eats. Pull up in the down. And it comes to waist length. Like the curls on this braided unit is eating. I might keep it in the middle, okay? Because the side was cute, but there's something about this middle long. It's giving, it's eating the girls up, okay? And it's so long. I want y'all to see the back. So this is how the back looks. But I want to show y'all exactly how I install this wig. So without further ado, let's get into the specs and what they got going on in the box. I'm gonna see y'all in this video.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond, everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into a hair tutorial. Not a hair tutorial that we regularly do when we processing the hair, but this one is a very good one. This is from Jaliza, and they sent over these items in this bag, but I really just want to get into this braided unit. Now, this braided unit is a full hand-tied lace, 36-inch tangleless boho style braided wig, y'all. Look at this unit. This is a put on and go wig, as always. And someone like me, I would love this style because my hair is very thin and I won't be able to get braids because they will pull my hair out. But like, this is for me. And for someone like you, even if your hair doesn't come out with braids, this is so quick and easy to just put on and go. Look at it. And look how neat these braids look. And when I ran my finger through this, it was no tangles. And this is something definitely worth buying, y'all. So let's get into some more details about this wig. This is a boho braided style wig, but this is a box braid wig. Okay, it's a classic chic design. And I really love the style because I love the curls at the end. I love curls on my face. I love the two curls that's braided in the front for I could put it in a ponytail. I could put it in any style that I want because the way that this wig is designed, it's designed to put it up in a ponytail, wear it straight, wear it in the middle part, wear it to the side. It just all depends on you. I just love how versatile this wig is. Now that we have seen the wig, let's get into actually putting this wig on. I went ahead and put my ball cap on, the one that they provided for me, and I took some gas to melt the cap down, y'all. I'm getting so much better with these tutorials as far as laying my lace down. Watch, I'm gonna be the expertise, okay? Slay, breathe, lay it down, breathe, period. When it comes to laying these wigs down, because what? I did grab my blow dryer off camera, but I didn't show that. Just make sure everything is dry before you cut, because if it's wet, it's going to pull up. I then put the wig on just to like measure everything, and I see that it needed to be cut. So yes, when you are putting this on your head, you're going to have to cut a braid or two because you want the ear tabs to fit. So if you're putting it up in a ponytail, you don't want that area right there to be right there and over your ear because it's going to look dumb. So on to actually putting the wig down, laying it down. I did not put any makeup, as y'all seen. The wig cap for me was perfect. Like the color was perfect for me because it's like a brown tone wig cap and I love that. As far as the wig, I didn't put any makeup on it because I wanted it to be like a natural scalp. It is a natural scalp wig. I just wanted to be like, oh my god, it looks realistic. It doesn't look like, you know, I could tell like it looks brown and blended into her foundation. I wanted to be just like how people get their braids done and their scalp is lighter than the rest of their face, if that makes sense, y'all. I did not want to put any like foundational color in it because your scalp is not the same as your face, actually way lighter than your face. So I laid the wig down, y'all, and I took my Erica J glue, laid it down, and now it's time for these baby hairs, y'all. After I sprayed that even to basically melt everything down, I'm going to cut the lace and look how seamless it melted in. Baby, everything was executed when they did this wig. But just imagine if you go to a stylist and they lay this wig down, oh my goodness, everything will be so fire. Okay, perfect. But y'all know me, I try my best and it turned out really good to me. Anyways, onto these baby hairs. I already curled them and I love the fact that these baby hairs are thin. Okay, these are human hair baby hairs, y'all. Like, it don't get no better than this. And then you don't have to actually plug them because most of the time you have to plug those baby hairs, and all I had to do was cut them to be a little bit shorter. They were thin enough. They were perfect with some Pro Styling brown gel and some Gas to Be hairspray laid right down. I'm so speechless because everything that they did with this wig was bomb. Like it was really a quick, simple put it on your head and go wig. Like, it doesn't get no better than this. So I really think y'all should go ahead and check them down in the description bar below. Every link, including this wig link, will be down there, including their website as well. So let's get into it. It's a natural scalp wig. It's a boho box braid wig. The baby hairs are human hair, but they are natural and very thin. And most importantly, it's tangle free, a solution to everybody's problems. And it just saves you so many hours from sitting in that chair. Y'all, this wig melt band was everything. It was heavy duty and I enjoyed putting this wig band on. Y'all even see it in my face how I was like, yes, this band, top tier. I went ahead and put it on. I did my makeup and then you're going to see me pop it off. That is it, y'all. Don't forget to go check them out in the description bar below and I'll see you on the outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to go follow Jaliza. And also check out their site down below in the description bar. Also, don't forget to like this video, comment, rate, and subscribe. And until then, I'm going to see you on my next tutorial. Bye, y'all.